Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy step on how to log out of your Marvel Snap game using Android device. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, start off by launching open Marvel Snap application and make sure that you're inside this main home page. Tap on the main button at the bottom of the screen and you'll be able to see the gear button popping up at the top left. Tap the gear button and this will open up your settings page. Under link account, you'll be able to see the sign out button. Tap on sign out and tap the sign out button again to log out of your account. Remember that your progress on purchase will still be saved and can be accessed by re-signing into the account. So if you are sure you'd like to sign out, tap on the sign out button once again. And that is how you can easily sign out or log out of Marvel Snap using your Android. To log in again, you need to go ahead and sign in with your existing Google account and you should be good to go. That is how you can easily log out of Marvel Snap, quick and easy. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.